What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today it's my day off and I got a little bored, so today what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to try to take this Scion emblem off, just to give it like a little better body line and everything, and just to see what it looks like when it's off. I think it's just held on by 3M tape. So the things you're gonna need are, I got the heat gun right here, and the other thing you're gonna need is I want the Harbor and Freight, and I got the little nylon pry bars. So let's see if this works. Alright, so the first thing is you just heat it up just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to mess up the paint or anything, so let's go for it. So you're just gonna get some glue gun and basically get the residue that's on it. As you can tell, there's two holes. I'll fill those holes, and we'll see, that's what you don't want to do, is dig too hard into it and mess up the bumper. So either way, I'm gonna fill it and everything, so let me get this off and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so got the emblem off and everything. I did mess up on a couple of spots, but it's fine. I could just get some touch-up paint, or I could just paint the whole bumper, since I need to repaint my front lip anyways. But yeah, so as you can tell, mess up right there and here. It's not that big of a deal, but as you can tell, it looks a lot better than with the emblem. It's just just a little change, just something. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rubbing compound on it, because since it's been in the sun and everything, it'll actually show the ring of the Scion emblem. So let me get that and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like when it's all done. Honestly, I think with that, the front end looks a lot better. I might fill in the little dip to make it even. I'm not sure yet. Just gonna drive it a couple days and see what I think about it. But yeah, just a small video for you guys to show you that how to take off the front emblem. It's not that hard. The only thing that sucks is these two holes right here, but it is what it is. But hopefully you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.